shape of bears. Or I already ate this one. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Double bear. And then the fan. This one's good. I recommend this. The flavor is pretty good. It's just like the bread's a little dry, but it's actually pretty good. If you're looking for red bean bread in the Metro Atlanta area. It's cute. Oh, hello. Guess what I'm doing? For some reason, I like to cut my bangs when it's like the least suitable. Like in the summer, it's gonna get all sweaty, and that's when I want bangs. These are gonna be very wispy. Like, I don't know if I'll be able to find them again. Like, we'll be able to find this? I don't think so. It's very small, but this is what we're gonna go for. Ready? How is that? Well, we'll see. I'm just gonna, I need to like style this because I have no idea what it looks like right now. Be right back. This is one piece that keeps on wanting to go in the middle, so I'm just gonna cut it. I also took out the trash. Who knew that bangs can make someone so happy? The thing is, you gotta keep them like oil free, like 24/7, especially for wispy bangs. This means I've got to bring this powder everywhere. I'm just gonna bring this one. This one I'm just trying to get rid of. I got a lot of them, but I'm not even a big fan of them. Goodness. Oh, jeez. Nah.
Going to TJ Maxx.
My face is so shiny.
He's building a new
Okay. Oh, I can just... I've been meaning to... Oh. It's falling. Replace my shower curtain. It's getting all dingy. I've been super lazy until now, but I have a lot of time before I have to meet up for lunch, so I'm gonna spend it wisely. Wow. Oh, I see that. How often are you supposed to replace these anyway? Did it. You can't stop me cause I'm positive.
This time I want you.
I'm at the place. I was just gonna sit down, and then the waiter guy told me to go here. So. These chocolate croissants from CeraVe. We have to put it overnight in the fridge, so let's do that. Cool. We're gonna try the off-the-shoulder hack with this spaghetti strap. It's a little wrinkled, but it's okay. We'll see. I have on a tube top, by the way, under this. I don't even know how to do this. Oh my gosh. Confusion. It's kind of awkward. How do I do this? We're gonna decorate the laptop. I got these really cute like nail art stickers. This one's not a nail art sticker. Also, this top is really cute. As long as you don't like lift your arms because you can see under. It's a really cool hack. I saw it. I was like, I'm too lazy to try it. And then Chloe sent it to me. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it now. How should we do this? There's these really cute butterflies on there. I'm gonna use some of those. So I got these glasses. I thought they're blue light glasses, but I don't think so. Oh, it's kind of hard to take off. Oh, what in the world? Why is this like not sticky at all? Question mark. Wait a minute, maybe it's just like air cut really weird with the sheet. Oh my gosh, I can just have it like that and I'm really cute. This is so cute. I love how it turned out. It's so cute. That's the outside, and then I put one on the inside. I didn't want too much. Look how cute. That's how it turned out. I've been drinking so much water ever since I got my owala. I don't know. I think it's just because like it's so practical that I've been drinking so much water. I got a charm. I'm gonna put it on there. Do you know who this is? Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Dun. Okay, I left these out so they can puff, and someone took one. I'm just like concerned because these are not cooked yet. We're gonna try it. Ready? Cheers. It's really flaky, which is honestly kind of like impressive. That's pretty good. You should definitely try that. Hello. I hope you're doing well. If there's anything you'd like to see, you can always feel free to comment them. I'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye. It's too high.
It doesn't matter when I wear this dress.